So hello people, this is Moscarblog and today I'm reviewing a beautiful Aston Martin Vantage V12 ROADSTER, one out of only 249 worldwide, and this review will be a little bit different because I can't properly walk and film, so it won't be looking as good as always. On the exterior, you've got this beautiful classic Aston Martin paint job and everything is in exposed carbon fiber, which looks black here. Look at the side skirt with that beautiful white accent. That full hood is in exposed carbon fiber. The mirrors, of course, and I opened up the roof for you so you can have a look at it. It's so beautiful. So people, I've switched now to POV really quick to show you the exterior a little bit faster. So at the front we have the carbon fiber front splitter and the white is all paint. This is all optional. That beautiful exposed carbon fiber hood. We have a V12 engine, a bi-turbo with 700 horsepower. Absolutely insane. It's such a nice concept of Aston Martin to put the biggest engine in the smallest car, and I'm here for it. The V12 and that little Vantage that usually came with the V8 of the C63 AMG, we know it, with like also 510 horsepower, but it was louder. And now we have the V12 with 700 horsepower. It looks so good, this car. I absolutely love the looks of it. Just check out these seats before we go into the back. Carbon fiber buckets and really thin, really small. Let's now check out the back of this beauty and then take it out for a drive. I hope you're enjoying this video nonetheless. So people, moving on to the back of this astonishing Vantage V12, we have carbon ceramic brakes at the front and at the back, and the back caliper looks like a front caliper. It is really big at the back also, with like two calipers at the back. So this is a proper brake, 315 wide tires, and the back is so beautiful with that white paint, the whole carbon fiber diffuser, and these dual exhausts here, not the quad tailpipes like the normal Vantage. Just look at that massive diffuser. It looks so good, this car, so beautiful. It's literally a masterpiece. So people, inside of the V12 Vantage we have this beautiful matte carbon fiber steering wheel with the shift pedals fixed like on a Lamborghini or Ferrari. They don't move with the steering wheel. And this is our James Bond looking like interior. V12 badge here, park, reverse, neutral, drive. And we can also put it in drive with the shift pedal like on a Lamborghini or Ferrari. We also have the matte carbon here, super beautiful. Alcantara roof, of course. And everything here is leather, Alcantara or carbon. And these are the beautiful V12 Vantage ROADSTER or V12 Vantage seats. The super thin carbon fiber bucket seat with the Aston Martin here looking super good. And of course the Alcantara here. This is the seat, as you can see. Super good looking and super comfortable once you are inside. And we have a little window outside here. A funny little detail is if we press this camera button here, this is actually for our backup camera, as you can see. And some of you may ask how you move the seats. This is here. Memory seats also, electric and memory, of course. Also with the carbon fiber and a little leather thing here for our knees to rest it on longer drives. Such a beautiful interior. So let's now take it out for a drive and see how this beautiful car performs. So people, let's take out the V12 Vantage for a drive. I can't wait. It's been so exhausting to film the exterior. So we are currently in the sports mode, which is like the comfort mode in this car. There isn't any more comfortable mode. So let's now put it into the Sport Plus to drive a little bit sporty. Now it's Sport Plus. Let's listen to it. It has pops and bangs. It sounds so good. Oh, this thing is fast. Wow. Okay. This thing is also stiff. These roads are bad, yes, but this car is stiff 100%. We have the fixed pedals here like on a Ferrari I've mentioned. Unbelievable power and torque numbers. Some pops and bangs. Whoa! Yes, sir. So let's give it some throttle here. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Oh, this thing's aggressive. These roads are so bad, unfortunately. But this car drives super well. The V12 isn't like in a Ferrari or Lamborghini. You can feel definitely that it's turbocharged 100,000%, but it still has that unique sound to it. Let's put it to the D and see how it will perform, how it shifts itself. Whoa! Oh, yes! Yes! Oh my goodness! Oh yes, baby! Wow! What a car! Whoa! Oh my God, yes! This is awesome! Let's take a left here. Let's give it full throttle here. Traction control. No, we have boost! Wow, this is a true supercar. Pops and bangs. I hope you can hear them, ladies and gentlemen. I will close the roof in a second also, so we can enjoy it with the roof down, with the roof up, I mean. Wow, what a thing! So people, I've now put the roof up. So let's now see how this thing drives. With the roof up. Now we get to hear a lot more mechanical noises, which is great. Because with the roof up, we have that wind noise. So people, let's give it full throttle here. What a car. Honestly, what a great experience this is. So much torque and power. So much. Wow, ladies and gentlemen. Unbelievable vehicle. The ZF 8-speed is so much fun in this car. It literally downshifts so cool and it upshifts aggressive. This car makes me a little child. Oh my God. Because it's so powerful. These 700 horsepower to the rear tires. It's scary actually. It's absolutely scary. If it now wouldn't be perfect conditions here, I would poop my pants. Look at this. So people, I hope you enjoyed this review of the Aston Martin Vantage V12 Roadster, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.